Hey guys, Nicole Andrews here. Welcome back to Eternity Warrior Fit channel. Yeah, we are gonna do some 10 different reps of different exercises, 10 pulses, and then 10 more reps. Let's start burning those abs out. I hope you guys are getting results already. I know I am. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell for notifications. We love your comments. Let's get going with our Tabata timer. 6 minutes straight. We're gonna do 10 reps, 10 pulses, 10 reps. So the first exercise, you guys, is just a standard crunch. Let's get that going. So bring your hands behind your head, fingertips behind your head, and just start to bring those shoulder blades off the ground and start to engage your core. Exhale on the exertion. 9, 10, and now pulse it for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 more reps. Exhale on the exertion. 5, 6, 7. Shoulder blades off the ground. Really crunch it up. Last one. Good. So now we're gonna do arms all the way out, and we're gonna alternate one arm up. So a good way to do this is if you have a pistol grip and you're just bringing one leg up and the shoulder blades off the ground. We're just isolating one side. We're on 8, 9, 10. Now hold it up there and pulse to the ceiling. Chin away from your chest. Really isolate that side. Feel the crunch. I think my back just cracked. Oh, it felt so good. And now 10 more singles. You guys got this. Burn them out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe. 9, 10. Immediately switch to the other side. We got 1, 2, 10, 10, and 10. 7, 8. If you need to support your head, you can put your fingertips behind your head. That's fine. And now hold it up there and pulse. Chin away from your chest. Isolate that oblique. Keep breathing. 9 and 10. And our last set of 10. Keep breathing in and out. You guys got this. Burn it out. Let's go. 5, 6, 8, not 7. 10, 10, and 10. Good. Awesome. Immediately, hands come under your hips. We're going to do a little seesaw action. So bring your torso up and your legs up, and then you're going to curl the knees in. So it looks like this. You're just seesawing back and forth, like bringing your knees to your chest, and then just a little momentum, holding that hollow hold for a second. We're on 7. Keep breathing. You have your own count going, that's fine too. And now the last one is going to be a hollow hold for 10 seconds. Stay here, keep breathing. Suck that core in tight. 9, 10. Good, bring it down. 10 more, go. Inhale, exhale. exertion. We're like a little seesaw here. Bring those knees in, tight to the body, and then use your core to come up. Those hands are just there to support you, to support your lower back. 2 more. Last one. Good job. This one, keep those hands under your hips for support if you need to. And now we're gonna do some flutter kicks. If you wanna make it harder, level 2 and level 3, you can pick your head up, engaging those top abs and the lower abs. 8, 9, 10, now pulse. 10, 9, it's small. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let your head go down if you need to, but keep those legs going for 10 more. 7, 6, engage your lower abs, guys. Push that lower back down to the ground. Excellent. Next one, hands behind the head. We have in and outs. So you're gonna curl into a little ball. Like elbows come to your outside of your knees if you can, and then just it goes all the way out. You keep your neck supported for these. 3, 4, 5. Ooh, guess what, guys? That was our timer. Let's do 10 pulses here. Let's finish this set. Come on, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10 more. Shh. This one's 6.5, all right? We got this. Push that lower back down as those legs come out. 3 more. 2. Last one. Good job. Take those knees in. Maybe give yourself a couple spinal rolls. And you are done. Day 8 has been great. Leave us a comment. Let me know how you liked it. Let me know you're in it to win it. We have so much on this channel, you guys. Recipes, anti-aging tips, powerful workouts. Stick with us. We love you, and we'll see you tomorrow.